All about songbirds. Most birds make some kind of sound. Some birds make warbles and whistles that are so pleasing to our ears that we call them songbirds. There are more than 4,000 kinds of songbirds. The male is usually the main singer. He sings to show other birds where his territory is and to attract a female. Robin Redbreast. When robins pair off to build a nest and raise young during the spring, the male robin's sweet, sad song tells intruders to stay out of his territory. To warn other birds of a nearby cat or hawk, the robin uses his warning call, a sharp tick-tick-tick. Here is a short, quick recording of a robin singing and chirping. It sings this tune on a tree, then moves to the next tree in his territory. Yellow Warbler. Yellow warblers are well known in parks and orchards in North and Central America. Its song often starts with 3 or 4 sweet sounds and ends with a quick burst of high and low notes. Yellow warblers feed on caterpillars, spiders, moths, and beetles. Nightingale. Many people describe the nightingale song as the most beautiful of all. Although the nightingale sings both day and night, its song is noticed most at night. Its song is individual and powerful with trills and whistles. The nightingale has inspired writers of all sorts throughout history. Here is a 30-second recording of a nightingale singing. Many birds know how to sing, and when they do, it's beautiful. Thank you for watching.